Top 11 investing lessons. A 15-bagger with a 3% allocation makes a career, but a 15-bagger on a 30% allocation can make a life. You can't buy yesterday's stock at today's price, or today's stock at yesterday's price. Wealth has to be made once, but making money is daily work. Stock investment has got power to knock off many years of your work life. You will save many years without working hard and enjoy life with your family. Stereotyped investors don't know that big money isn't made by buying debt-free companies. It is made by buying debt-laden companies going debt-free. Read as much as possible and build up your own investing philosophy. You can't create wealth on borrowed conviction. It's very hard to lose money buying sector leaders. Don't try to be the rabbit. A tortoise is good enough in this market. Don't feel shame in selling a stock where fundamentals have deteriorated. And don't feel shame in doubling your position when the fundamentals have improved. Concentration is for creating capital. Diversification is for protecting capital. Being financially free requires a lot of risk-taking. It's like a T20 game. You can't reach your target playing forward defense.